viewers and my subscribers, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Happy New Year to all of you guys, my subscribers, my viewers. You have been doing very well. You're making my days looking brighter. Happy New Year, and I wish you the best of 2025 and beyond. All what it has to offer us, I wish you the best in this year. All right, thank you for viewing, thank you for watching my channel, thank you very much. And I must big up all of you guys, all of you people that subscribe, or those that watch, those that view, those that make a comment. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. You're my family, you're everything to me. All right, blessing every time. I had the flu over the past almost 3 weeks. I had a flu, but it's okay now. I went on the road this morning. It's very cold. You know, it's very cold over here. In the winter, it's very cold. Right now, it's very windy on the outside, but I still push and go out there this morning. But today now, I'm just going to cook something very simple. Some curry chicken and white rice. Jamaican style. Alright, so I have some chicken over here now. Right here. Let me put down the camera. Yeah. It's very windy. You can hear the wind on the outside. I have to close the windows. I have some seasoned chicken here from over the Christmas season. So I'm just going to curry it this morning or today or whatever time you watch my videos. Alright? So I have some onions here. I already put my seasoning on it. Slap your mama. I put some salt, some Maggi seasoning salt, also all purpose. And as I said, I'm going to curry my chicken. Alright? And I had some pimento that I put on it already. So I'm going to put my garlic on it now. You can beat the garlic or you can cook it like this. Whatever best for you, you can do it. Okay? So I only have, so guys, this is mine. So I'm going to put some more, just going to cut all of it, because sometimes I've left it stay there and waste. Okay, alright, so I put all of my seasoning. Everything is already seasoned. As I said, I have it from over the Christmas season, so I still season well soaked. Alright, so I'm going to put a little curry on it. And I'm going to burn a little curry, and I may put a little browning on it too also, just to give it a different taste. So I just put a little, let me take this one out. I just put a little on it, give a better color. Okay. And how is it going so far? Let me know where you're watching from. Do you eat curry chicken? Just let me know if you eat it. Right. It just a simple little pot today. No big pot, okay? And guys, we need to save our money. Save as much as we can. I make a pledge in my heart that I'm going to save. I am always saving, but I think I'm going to save some more money for this year. I think I'm going to save a bit more. It may not be big as we want, but you can save. Sometimes we have to stop avoiding buying certain things and start to save our money. Alright, that's my seasoning through it now. So this is my seasoned chicken. I put all of these in already, so I'm going to put it on the fire now. So I'm going to turn on my stove. So that's my oil. So I'm just going to tip a little oil in it, not much oil because I'm going to use a lot of water. I'm just going to use the oil just to make the curry, not much. You can see just a small amount, and that's enough. You can see. So I have to turn on my fire because it will send out the alarm, guys. just a little bit. You see? Stir it like this. I take it off. Turn off the alarm. Let me turn on the. You can see? Not a lot. Okay. And I'm not going to put any water on it until it started to give a different color, like burning. Okay. This is how I do it. And I may put a little brown in it as I say. So I'm going to let it stay there. So you watch it. Let it stay there and it's bringing its own water. Alright, you can see. Fire hot. So watch the process, guys. Watch it as I go. I show you how I cook my curry chicken. Alright. So I'm going to let it stay there until it springs its own water. Like this. I don't use a lot of oil because the meat itself has in a lot of fat. So I'm just going to do it like this. Let it spring a little water by itself. Okay? As you can see, it's springing its own water now. And I keep a little chips of water because it was like burning. So I do a little chips in there, but it's springing its own water here now. Alright? So watch the process as I go. And I'm going to, this is my rice pot over here. I'm not going to use any rice cooker today. So this is my rice pot. Okay. And this is my rice. So I'm going to wash and put it in. Guys, I'm going to put a little piece of scallion in it. And maybe a little more. I'm not sure if I'm just a scallion. I'm just going to put scallion and salt. No margarine. That's my pot here, guys. I'm going to put a little salt in it. And this is the salt I use. I'm going to put a little salt. That's my salt, not much. I'm just going to put some little drips of margarine in it. Okay, you don't have to put margarine. Just put a little there. Alright. So I'm going to get my rice wash. Guys, this is my rice pot. I wash my rice. Put it in there like this. As I say, my sink is on the other side and it's kind of difficult for me to with the camera. So I had to just wash. And bring it on this side. Okay? And that's an easy way to do. You just wash it and put it in your strainer and drain all the water. Okay? You can see, guys? You can see what's going on here? Alright. So I'm going to let this stay there and cook. And it will take like maybe 15 minutes, roughly. Also, my chicken will take like an half an hour. Alright? So watch the process, guys. You can see. My curry chicken. I need to gauge the fire up a bit. And guys, you know what? I'm going to put some cabbage in it. I'm going to put some cabbage. I'm just showing you the brown rice that I bought at the store. I was trying to get the brown one, but I I don't get the brown one, so I bought this one. That's a jasmine rice, okay? Or basmati rice. We also call it jasmine, whatever. But this is the rice I bought. This is the rice I'm cooking today. Alright? See my rice pot boiling? Okay. It'll be ready in like 15 minutes or less. Guys, I'm going to put some cabbage. You see? I'm going to put some cabbage in my curry chicken. Alright? And you put whatever veggies you want to put in your curry chicken. Alright? And sometimes we have the veggies there and it stays so long in the fridge and then it spoils. So what I decided to do is to make use of my veggies. I'm not going to let my stuff stay there and spoil. So I'm going to just cut it like this. Yeah. Just going to cut my cabbage like this. And I have a small piece here that I used to make my veggies when I was making my veggies the other day. So whatever shape you want to cut it in, you can cut it like this. I'm going to cut mine big and cook it down with it. And these cabbage are very hard, so you have to put them in from early. Alright? So I was using this to make the veggies, but that's okay. Alright, so I'm going to put this in my curry chicken. Don't worry yourself, you can try it at home, or any veggies you want to put, you can put it in it. Alright? So watch the process. I'm going to get these all washed over my sink. Alright? So guys, I'm just putting a little bit more water in my cabbage. With my cabbage, not in my cabbage. With my cabbage, I'm going to put it in now. And you know the cabbage can spring a lot of water. So here's my cabbage all washed. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to drain it. I'm going to drain off all of the water now because I left it in the water. And guys, my subscribers and viewers, you can put in whatever veggies you want. This is my way of cooking. You cook it the way you want to cook, alright? So this is just like this. Make sure so your meat is all cooked. Like sometimes the cabbage can be very soft, but this cabbage now is very hard. Okay. Alright. And you know, if you want to, you can cook it by itself. You can cook the cabbage by itself. And sometimes it's bring too much water. Okay. So this is it, guys. So you're going to stay there until it cook. Okay, so watch the process as I go. And as again I say, tell a friend to tell another friend about my cooking. Nice cooking, tastes very good, and it's healthy. I cook healthy way. Alright, less butter, less oil, less margarine. I do less of those things. So tell a friend to subscribe to my channel. Nice cooking is happening over here, and I appreciate all of those who subscribe to my channel. Big up yourself, 20 and 25. Enough blessing on your life. Alright, and trust God. Remember to trust God and put him in front of the bottle. So this is going to stay there like the next 10 minutes. Okay guys, see, it's my curry chicken with cabbage in it. I can put whatever vegetable you want. Okay guys, I'm going to put my seasoning now. I'm just going to put a little margarine in it. Guys, it is all seasoned already, all seasoned. So I'm just going to put a tomato in it. Okay, and I have all my seasoning here. I put a scallion. I don't need to put any more scallion in it. can see it, guys. So I'm going to put some tomato in, and that's it. I have scallion, I have onion in it already, don't need any more. What do you think? I should put more in it? Alright, no need to. That's my, and it, guys, it tastes so good, and it's not spicy. I don't make it spicy. It tastes so good. So that's my finished product now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. This is my curry chicken with cabbage and white rice. Let me show you my white rice. This is my white rice. This is my white rice, guys. Soon talk to you. Just give me a second. Alright, so it's all finished now. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for viewing my channel. Can you see? Sure you can see now. If you cannot see, just let me know if you can see my white rice, okay? And this is my finished product now. This is my finished rice, and this is my, let me show you. This is my finished curry chicken. Okay, thank you for subscribing and thank you for viewing. Now you have a blessed day and a blessed year, and happy new year to you guys again. Bye bye, take care.